Hello, my friends, and welcome. Today I have something a little bit different from you. I'm here in the Bosque, which is near to my home in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Bosque is a Spanish word that means forest or woods, and our bosque is a cottonwood forest that runs for many miles up and down the banks of the Rio Grande. The Rio Grande River runs right through Albuquerque, so it's really a great resource for us, and everybody in Albuquerque just loves it. I come here to re-experience my connection with nature and trees. Any of you who have been following my art for a while know that I'm a real tree hugger. So as the weather has been getting a little bit warmer, I've been getting out just a little bit more. And what I'd like to share with you today is a short video I put together of some of the beauty that I found here in the Bosque at the end of winter. So here we go, end of winter beauty in the Bosque. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that this has inspired you to find a spot near your home where you can get out and experience the beauty and wonder of nature. I'll see you next time.